0, 1. Let's get.
Hello everyone, welcome to Swanee Says. Today I have a Temu 2009 to 2013 5-inch fender extension. I just wanted to get my hands on it and go over it. All right, what are we looking at today? Today what I have is from Temu 2009 to 2013 5-inch fender extension. You got this for $19 or $20 shipped. Had one of those little coupon deals. And honestly, this doesn't even fit my bike. But I just wanted to look at it. Comes in a box, had a little paper with it. Get out of the box. There we go. Yeah. But there it is. That is a plastic fender extension. And what I wanted to do is I just wanted to get my hands on the thing and take a look at it and just feel it. I don't really like plastic fender extensions as it is. I'm pretty sure that more name brand stuff will probably hold up long term. I don't know how good this is going to do in the weather, long term, in the sun, things like that. But just feeling it and getting it, it's not super flimsy. That's around 1/8 of an inch thick. There's not a whole lot of flex to it. It doesn't feel super bad. There is no stamps on it to tell you what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's just the cheapest ABS plastic it could possibly be. But there's not a whole lot of just random twisting and turning in it. It feels okay. And that's basically what I wanted to do. I just wanted to feel it. I have no intentions of keeping this item. I will be selling it because I can't even use it. But I just wanted to see it. But if you could use it and you like stuff like this, I don't see why it wouldn't run for a little while. Just I would hate to put holes in my fender, because that's how you mount these. And put this on there and get it custom painted or whatever, and then it break in a couple of years, because I just don't know how well it's going to take the vibration and just the use on the road. You know, is a rock going to hit this and bust this out? I have no idea. But I can tell you she's just regular old plastic. There's nothing special about this at all. But it's not super thin, but I don't think a road rocket would carry. I think a road rocket would bust it right out myself. But for 20 bucks, would you, and if you wanted this, could you throw it on your bike and do whatever you wanted with it? Yep, you sure could. Would it work? It absolutely would work. Would it work for a little while? Yeah, it'd work for a little while. I like the look of those clean back ends. I like the looks. The reason I've bought those 5-inch stretch bags, I'm going to do something like that to mine. I just don't know what it is I want to do exactly. I know how to do a little welding. Maybe I could weld up something that's more of a fender filler. Just don't know. I don't know. I just wanted to take a look at this. And through me getting my hands on it, it lets somebody else take a look at it if they're looking at things like this. And it's not super thin. It's not super flimsy. It would work for a while. Who knows for how long? That's just a guess. But 20 bucks is 20 bucks. Give it a shot. You do get it, and it ain't bad. Anybody that's taken the time to watch this to this point, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a hand growing my little channel. Thank you.